Welcome back, everybody. So I've almost let the whole month slide by without getting around to thanking my patrons and announcing this month's giveaway. But, better late than never, or, well, we're not really late yet, but, better late in the month than never in the month, I guess. But I did get 2 new patrons in August, so I wanted to give them a special shout out. Let me just open up my book here. And that would be Terry and Jacob's World and Paula Allison. So thank you very much, Terry and Jacob's World and Paula Allison, for joining my Fright Club. If you're interested in becoming a patron, you can do so on Patreon. There's a link down below. Really helps support the channel and these giveaways, and I really appreciate it and definitely want to give them a special shout out. But they joined some of my wonderful patrons, including Allison Waldron, Indiana Jones, Carla Perea, Craig Thomas, Frady Zone, Gareth Frewer, Halloween Inflatable Geek, Jared O'Lantern, Lauren McLean, Prince Alarming 85, Rosemary Latham, Shannon Fredrickson, Sharon Thomas, Skull Crane Entertainment, Spooky Bev, Spooky Spectacle, Stephanie Schrutek, Stephen Miles, and Teara. So thank you again for supporting the channel. Really appreciate it. One other thing I like to do for all of my fabulous patrons out there is to show the rest of you what kind of things they are working on if they have a YouTube channel, as many of them do, including Terry and Jacob's World. So let's go ahead and start with a look at their channel. Here we go with Terry and Jacob's World. They post a lot of videos. A lot of them, it appears to be every day or every couple of days. And it covers a wide range of topics. These last few videos are certainly in the Halloween realm, but it's not just Halloween. As we scroll down, general life experiences and Christmas and other holidays and so forth. So as a new patron, I haven't had a chance to really review their entire library out there. I am actually a new subscriber to Terry and Jacob's World, but I encourage you to be so too, because you can then check out wonderful videos such as this Nightcrawler 2020 prop. What is a CVS? Look, it doesn't have much out for Halloween yet. One of my favorite stores, CVS for Halloween. Can't wait to check them out myself. Something here about Elvis for you Elvis fans. Scary cutouts from Party City. And a blooper reel. Those are their last few videos. So again, I encourage you to check them out. They have 55 subscribers now. Let's see if we can get that number up a bit. Next up is Halloween Inflatable Geek, another relatively new patron of mine, and he has been doing a lot of Halloween as well. I don't think, have we done anything that isn't Halloween yet? I'm not sure. Some funkins, whatever these things are called now, vinylmations. I don't know what those are. Anyway, lots of Halloween stuff. I have been taking a look around, but it's been a while. Beware of the Cellar Dweller Kmart prop. I did watch this video the other day, and that's actually a pretty awesome prop with these sort of cellar doors that bang open. But I highly encourage you to check that one out as well. But they also do, let's see, recently a Reviewing Great Deals video. Not sure what the Getting Closer to Halloween is about. Sorry, it's been a while since I watched it. It was 3 weeks ago. Not Halloween, but educational. There we go, not Halloween. And again, some sneak peek of gearing up for 2020 and so forth. So great Halloween content from Halloween Inflatable Geek. Jared O'Lantern is also a fabulous Halloween YouTuber. And his latest videos include Chilling Chantel from Grandin Road. Jared actually has a lot of Grandin Road videos. Considering their props are so expensive, I never like to, it's a bit out of my price range, I'll say. So it's nice to see some of the things that other YouTubers are posting on those sort of products, because you're not likely to see them from mine. But what other things have we seen in this last month? This giant red demon animatronic, LTD Commodities Halloween haul video, another animated groundbreaking skeleton. So, but again, lots of Halloween stuff. Be sure to check it out. He does a great Halloween haunt walkthrough. Here we have Skull Crane Entertainment, who also does sort of prop videos of all sorts, not just Halloween, although again, it's pretty much Halloween this time. And look, he also posts either a few times a day, every couple days, quite a few videos all about awesome things like the Spirit Halloween animated 13-inch Teddy Bear. Oh, that's cute Teddy Bear. I love that. What is this, a 5-foot life-size black countess? I love this little monkey guy with his symbols. This guy's pretty creepy. Spirit Halloween animated 15-inch zombie head with a wall mount. Very creepy. And what's been recently a 7-foot life-size towering lunging werewolf. I actually have this misting lab beaker. I've never seen mine mist. I don't know how that works. I might have to look into that soon. And then a crystal ball. I'm always interested in good new crystal balls. Spooky Bev also does a lot of Halloween stuff, but nothing for quite a few months, so hopefully we'll see some Halloween content from Spooky Bev soon. Spooky Spectacle, however, has put out a few recently. Spooky Spectacle of the Month, Michael's Halloween Haul, Michael's Halloween Haul Part 2 with the Lemax Spooky Town, and then the Spooky Stories and Makeup. Actually, one of my guilty pleasures is watching these sort of makeup. It's more than just a makeup video. It's like you completely transform yourself to a different character. They're kind of fun. Be sure to check out Spooky Spectacle. Speaking of characters, we all know that Indiana Jones has wonderful videos with different characters where she dresses up as characters and does fun crafting and recipe and DIY videos. But lately, she has been doing daily crafting videos, including an epic craft battle where they compete live to create some crafts. What else has she been up to? Updating her fall decor, a Cabin Fever small haul, Think Pink, another Shine Pink. What's with all the pink? It's Halloween. I need to see some orange. As we scroll down, oh look, high tea with a queen, the Queen of Hearts. But she certainly has a lot of fall and Halloween videos to catch up on there. So that's Indiana Jones. Create at Home with G. Whoops, I seem to have clicked off his channel. And Elf Creations. Oh wait, I guess he's the last one up. I did have it open. Here we go. So Create at Home with G and Elf Creations is also another crafter with lots of fun videos, lots of cards, lots of Christmas. But lately his videos include some Poundland. I always get amused by that store name, crafting. And here we've got like a Halloween mummy. And here's 24 weeks of Christmas. Well, too early for that. And here's making some signage for Halloween and so forth. So that's Create at Home with G, and I think somewhere along the lines, one of mine for sure, Frady Zone has fallen off. I must have clicked off her by accident. But here we go. Frady Zone has some new material out too. She does these, actually I assume it's a she, because when I first watched it, there's a woman in the video, but I don't know. It could very well be the man that appears in the video too. Frady Zone, let me know. Are you a woman or are you a man? I don't know. Maybe I do know. Maybe it's... I don't know. Okay. Anyway. So, I think we looked at this Dr. Frankenstein costume. Oh, no. I think the last time we saw it was this Frankenstein's Laboratory. We've also done a Frankenstein Halloween costume and making a mummy. And these are pretty high production value videos. And it boggles my mind that only 47 subscribers are on this channel, so please definitely check out Frady Zone because it's well worth it. That'll do it for our patron update. Again, I want to say thank you very much for all of my wonderful patrons out there for supporting the channel. It's truly appreciated. So with that out of the way, we can move on to this month's giveaway. Now, it is almost the end of the month, so you only have until the end of this month to enter the drawing, and we will do that sometime right after the beginning of the month. So let's see what's going to be given away this month. It is another box of goodies. Let's just dive right in. I got this sign It is a little scratched up, probably because I've thrown it in my closet and it sat there for a long time. But it says, "There's magic in the night when pumpkins glow by midnight." I actually got a couple of these from the Goodwill. So a lot of these things I've gotten from the Goodwill. I'm not sure that there's anything brand new in here. In fact, I'm pretty sure there's not. So, but it's new to me. It's new to you now too, maybe. But this was a sign. Clearly it hasn't been used. It's even got the little tag thing on the front. But you can hang it on your wall. I wasn't sure why I bought these. I bought 2 of them. I'm sure I had a project in mind when I was going to do it. I just don't remember what it is now. But it would make a fun little, little Halloween decoration. Not as fun as this guy, though. You may remember him. I think he was sitting on the back counter for a while. It's just a little, I guess it's a candy bowl. No idea what this thing is. But he's a little ghosty. And he's a bowl, I guess. And you could put something in there. I don't know. You could put a little plant in there if you wanted. One of those little cactus, succulent type plants. That might be interesting. I don't know. I was debating whether or not I should give this guy away. He did feature in my living room decor last year as part of my pumpkin man living room. But I think it's time. He takes up a lot of space. So I need to make some room for all my new fun Halloween things. So I'm going to let him go. He's adorable, isn't he? Oh, I'll be sad. I hope he goes to a good home. And I'm sure he will, because all you guys are fabulous. All right. I'm also a little sad to see this guy go, because he is awesome. And I know there was a lot of interest in him in my Halloween haul when I brought him home. Does it say where he's from? The Yankee Candle Company. He's a Yankee Candle Company candle. And does it have a price on here? It didn't have an original price, but I'm guessing anything from there was kind of pricey probably. But I know I'm just never going to put him out. So hopefully one of you will put him out and enjoy him. He's a little tea light candle holder. And that's going to be a theme. We're going to see a few tea light candle things here going on now. Including from Target, these guys. So it's a set of 3. Oh, they're Hallmark. I'm not sure if they're tea light candle holders. I mean, I assume they are because they've got the opening. You got a little skull here with its sort of blushing face. I guess it's blushing. Never noticed that, but see, he's got a little blushing cheek on the one side, but on this side it's a little misprinted, I guess, because it's right in the corner of his mouth like he's eating a pumpkin or something, and he's just got it all over himself. And then we've got a little cat. A little black cat with eyes, and the eyes look, this side looks like it's a heart. And a little jack-o'-lantern, it's got a little glitter. This glitter's going to get all over. In fact, I can actually see it. There's some little dots of pink. It's pink. Was there even anything that was pink? Where did the pink glitter come from? I don't know. But anyway, so a little stack of tea light candles. You could also put your tea light candle in this nice little lantern. I'm sure it opens somehow. I bought this a few years ago, I think, from the Goodwill. Again, it's brand new. It's got the tag on it. It was only $3 originally. But hey, for you, it'll be free. Oh, you pull this off the bottom. That's weird. Kind of unscrews from the bottom. You put your tea light in and then put it back on from the bottom. That's weird. But it's kind of fun. Anyway, I bought it a couple of years ago. It's just been sitting in my cabinet because I get so into my Halloween decorating. I kind of give up for the fall portion of the decorating because after Halloween's done, I put it away and I don't have time to get things out again. I guess I have time. I just don't have the heart to get things out again and start decorating just for fall. I've been giving away some temporary tattoos in my latest giveaways because, I got these as a vendor gift once, and they're fun tattoos. They will last forever and a day, though, so you want to wash them off with what I don't know, what is it, I don't know. You'll have to look up how to remove them if you don't want them on your skin for like 2-3 weeks straight. But they're cool. You've got like bite mark ones, bullet holes, little jagged scar, what do you call that, stitches. So a couple of those for you. Also have yet another one of these Creatology 3D structures. Not really sure what this one is called, but on the front it just looks like some sort of creepy mansion with eyes that are sticking or showing through the windows, and you got little Dracula and the mummy guy and some witches and Frankenstein. Good for kids. They'll never get this put together by themselves. You've probably heard me say that a dozen times because I like to beat myself up with these. Every time I see them in the Goodwill, I pick them up. And sometimes I will put one together. And if you've watched those videos, you know they're a challenge. They'll take me hours. You need an engineering degree. No kid can do that. And then lastly, hopefully you like coffee, because this is screaming sugar coffee. Anyway, my sister bought this for me for my birthday, so don't tell her. But I don't drink coffee anymore. I will have a decaf cup, but yeah, I gave up coffee. And this is Spooky Vanilla ground coffee. So I am going to re-gift that to one of you out there who wins this. And that'll be the final item in our giveaway this month. So how are you going to enter the giveaway? Again, you have to be entered by the end of the month. So we'll call that by midnight on August 31st. And then sometime in September, we'll actually do the giveaway. And stay tuned, because I'll put an announcement on the channel when we do that. But to enter, you have to answer the monthly question, which I guess is this month. I want you to go back to Terry and Jacob's World's channel, find a video that you like, comment on their video, and then come back here and leave a comment below on which video you commented on. That'll get you entered into the drawing. And again, if you're a patron, you know this. If you're a patron, you get a bonus entry into the drawing. Just saying. So if you're interested in becoming a patron, be sure to click the link below. But that'll do it for today. So good luck to everyone who's entered. Again, stay tuned for the announcement on when the drawing will be. Until then, thanks for watching. Take care, stay safe, happy haunting.